Today we're talking about the Rebecca Park case and what happened in court regarding Courtney and Bradley Bartholomew. This was a key hearing, not because of explosive testimony, but because of what it revealed about how this case is moving forward and what the defense is pushing back against. Courtney Bartholomew is Rebecca's biological mother. Bradley Bartholomew is Rebecca's stepfather. Prosecutors allege that Courtney and Bradley lured Rebecca to their home, where she was restrained, tortured, and ultimately homicide, so her unborn child could be taken. The state alleges this was a planned and coordinated act. Both Courtney and Bradley have pleaded not guilty. They are facing multiple felony charges, including first-degree homicide, felony homicide, torture conspiracy to commit torture assault on a pregnant person, resulting in death, unlawful imprisonment removal of a corpse. If convicted, both face life in prison. Today's hearing was not about guilt or innocence. It centered on discovery, the legal requirement that prosecutors turn over evidence to the defense. Defense attorneys argued that despite the seriousness of the charges and the fact that their clients have been jailed for weeks without bond, they had not received critical evidence such as police reports, forensic documentation, or full investigative files. The defense claimed the case should not have moved forward without that information, and suggested that charging the Bartholomews before discovery was complete violated due process. Prosecutors responded by saying, "This is a complex homicide investigation involving multiple agencies and extensive forensic work." They argued that discovery is ongoing and that delays are not unusual in cases of this magnitude. They asked the court to allow the case to continue and to keep both defendants in jail. After hearing arguments from both sides, the judge ruled that the missing discovery is now being provided to the defense. Because of that, the judge determined the show cause portion of the hearing was no longer necessary and allowed the case to move forward. However, one moment stood out. Despite being requested to attend, no representative from the Michigan Attorney General's office appeared in court. The judge openly addressed this on the record and scheduled a separate hearing specifically to deal with that absence. This is unusual and could become an issue as the case progresses. Courtney and Bradley Bartholomew appeared in court wearing jail uniforms and remained quiet throughout the hearing. Both appeared serious and expressionless. The courtroom was packed with media and members of the public. Supporters of Rebecca Park's family were present, but no one spoke publicly. There were no outbursts or dramatic exchanges, just a tense, heavy atmosphere. After the ruling, the Bartholomews were escorted back to jail, where they remain without bond. The next major step is a probable cause hearing scheduled for March 6, 2026. At that hearing, the judge will decide whether there is enough evidence for the case to be bound over to circuit court for trial. If probable cause is found, this case will move into the trial phase, where jurors will ultimately decide the fate of Courtney and Bradley Bartholomew. This case is one of the most disturbing Michigan has seen in recent years. Today's hearing didn't bring justice yet, but it confirmed that this case is far from over. As evidence is turned over and the legal process continues, the spotlight remains firmly on what happened to Rebecca Park and her unborn child. I'll continue following every development and break it down as this case moves forward. If you are new to the channel, click subscribe for notifications and check out our link on the main page. Check out the next video for more information on the evidence revealed.